Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. Clicked on the Weather Now link. Want to get right to the potential to see the what's being called the Christmas star, or the great conjunction of really two planets, Saturn and Jupiter, this evening in the west-southwest sky between roughly 4 and 6 o'clock this evening. And we're seeing signs of some clearing. It may be just kind of a brief window of opportunity, but something that we'll keep an eye on over the next several hours. Take a look at some cool graphics that TJ put together. I mean, both planets are actually far apart, but here on Earth, they'll appear to be so close that what appears to be two stars touching each other, giving the appearance of one large, bright star. So this conjunction, they've been getting closer and closer over the last several weeks, and making its closest approach this evening. However, if for some reason the clouds fill back in and we miss this, there's an opportunity tomorrow evening. It may not be technically as close, but it may still be impressive. So we do expect clear skies tomorrow night. In the meantime, there is a little window of opportunity to see this between 4 and 6, 7 o'clock this evening. All right, in time, a threat tracker. Late night, we're going to watch for the possibility of some freezing fog. Quite simply, fog droplets that freeze on contact, whether it be the asphalt or your car windshield, because there could be some black ice late at night into very early tomorrow morning. But overall, Tuesday and Wednesday are looking pretty good. Here's a satellite radar composite. A weak storm system that is offshore, aerial pressure. Let me show it to you right there. And that'll be heading offshore and out to sea. And with that, we get a little bit of brief clearing behind it. You can see that out towards New York City and out in western Connecticut. So hopefully that little window holds out so that we can see this this Christmas star. And then clouds filling back in this evening. The system off to our north and west approaches, though I'm not expecting much more than just some cloud cover. So for this evening, the brief clearing that we have will fill back in with some increasing clouds, and then we'll watch for the potential for some freezing fog, especially late at night, late in the evening, overnight, and into early on Tuesday morning. So Tuesday morning, some fog and some icy spots early. Otherwise, the trend will be for these clouds to decrease with increasing amount of sunshine by mid to late morning, becoming partly sunny, and then partly to mostly sunny during the afternoon, and temperatures really not too bad. Looking at highs in the lower 40s, which is really normal or close to average for this time of year. Our 7-day forecast: Wednesday is quiet, all eyes on a storm for Christmas Eve night and very early Christmas morning. I think a better part of Christmas Day is actually dry. Here's the deal: a spring-like storm system, windy, warm, heavy rain, and strong wind Christmas Eve night. So the daylight hours of Thursday look dry. Even Thursday evening, not too bad. But then much later at night, heavy soaking rain, could be some flooding. And gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour, and obviously wind gusts of that range, the potential is there for some wind damage and some power outages, and this would be late Christmas Eve night. Now, what we envision here by Christmas morning is that there'll be some leftover rain early, but it will be ending with clearing skies. It may be 55 to near 60 very early Friday morning, only to have the temperatures dropping very rapidly during Friday afternoon and evening. So right now we're thinking 80% of Christmas is actually dry, with the exception of the early morning. It'll still be windy, though not quite as windy as what we're expecting on later Thursday evening, Thursday night, Christmas Eve night. Santa has no problems, as far as wind and rain. He can get through any of that, but just be mindful of kind of a spring-like storm with unseasonably warm temperatures later Christmas Eve night, heavy rain, and some strong winds, southerly gales out of the south. We'll keep you updated. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.